question number 59, we're trying to change the decimals that we have. We have 3.3 and 0.875. And we're trying to convert them to both percentages and fractions. The easiest thing you can do for this problem is to first convert it to percentages. So the decimal 3.3, in order to convert any decimal to a percent, you simply multiply by 100 or move 2 places to the right of the decimal place. So if we move 2 places to the right, 1 place, 2 place. If we move this 1 place, 2 places to the right, it becomes 330%. Okay? And that's 3.3 as a percentage. For the decimal of 0.875, once again, to convert a decimal to a percentage, you're either going to multiply by 100 or move 2 places to the right of the decimal. So if we move the decimal 2 places to the right, 1, 2, it becomes 87.5. 87.5 is 0.875 as a percentage. And please do not forget the percentage signs. Fractions are a little bit different. The first thing I would do is the 3.3 is I would put it over 10. And the reason I would put 3.3 over 10 is because we're going to count how many places is a decimal. This is a whole number 3, and then point, you have 3 in the tens place. And that's how you develop your fractions. You have to look at what place the last number is in, is what you put it over as a fraction, okay? So I'm going to make 33 over 10. But that's not our final answer because we have to either change it to an improper fraction and we also have to reduce. So in order to change this from an improper fraction, because that's what it is currently, to a mixed fraction, we have to divide 10 into 33, and it goes 3 times into 33. The remainder that we have is going to go in our numerator. The remainder that we have is going to be 3, and our denominator stays the same. 3 and 3/10 is 3.3 as a fraction, okay? So 3 and 3/10. Now here, we're going to look at our decimal place here, 0.875, and we're going to count how many places the 5's in. So we have 8.8 is the tenths place, then 7 is hundredths, 5 is thousands. So we're going to put 875 over 1,000, 875 over 1,000. And then you have to reduce until you get, you're going to have to reduce until you get the lowest fraction, the lowest fraction you could possibly get, okay? What you might first do is divide 875 by 5 and 1,000 by 5 as well, and then keep reducing until you get the lowest fraction. So I know 875 and 1,000 have a factor in common. They both have 125 in common. So I'm going to reduce the numerator and denominator both by 125. And when I do that, I get 7/8. Okay? And that's the final answer for number 59.